Correct TV.
My name is Ignacia Conde. Call me and I swear you won't regret it.
I don't care about Igor, Renato. I came for you. Don't you think it's a shame that we left so many things unresolved between us?
I don't have a relationship with Mabel Mora, nor was I involved in the shot fired at you last night.
Who didn't have breakfast?
It was for Mrs. Ignacia. She didn't sleep here last night.
To me, Ignacia, you have a lot of explaining to do. I miss you, Pilar. We haven't seen each other in 3 months.
Why don't we go someplace nearby? We can relax, rest, have some fun, enjoy ourselves. It's about Corolla. The judge approved my petition, Mrs. Eva. She'll be released tomorrow.
Get me pregnant. I need to have a baby. And I need them soon.
Could we know where you two went last night? Why weren't you answering your phone?
I killed him? I killed him!
Correct TV.
Now we own.